Something you have been receiving for years quietly stopped existing just about 6 weeks ago. And if you go looking for it today, the government's own official page will tell you in plain words, it is no longer available. That is a genuinely alarming sentence to read when it comes to your own monthly income. The GST credit, the tax-free quarterly payment that millions of Canadian seniors have relied on for decades, is officially gone. But I want to say the next part immediately before anybody gets worried, because this is actually a video full of good news, and the headline is genuinely positive. It was not canceled. It was replaced by something 25% larger called the Canada Groceries and Essentials Benefit. It replaced the old GST credit in July, and a great many people receiving it have no idea the name even changed, simply because the money carried on arriving in their bank accounts. It is 25% larger, and it is locked in for 5 full years from 2026 all the way through to 2031. And on the 27th of August, which is your next Canada pension plan and old age security payment date, you can look at your bank deposit with all of this in mind, because there are 3 separate pieces of good news sitting in that single payment, and I want you to be able to name all 3. Welcome to Smart Retirement. Tonight, we are covering the benefit that changed its name and got bigger, the quarterly increase already sitting in your August check, the bonus that arrives on a birthday, and the one crucial thing you must have done for any of this money to reach you at all. Now, what actually happened in plain language? Because the official announcements were written for economists rather than for real people. The Goods and Services Tax Credit was replaced in July by a new benefit with a new name and a bigger number attached to it. Here is the sentence that should settle everybody's nerves. The eligibility, payment calculation, and basic structure are identical to what they were before. Nobody loses out in this swap. If you were getting the old credit, you were getting this one under the exact same rules, same amounts, and same schedule. July, October, January, and April. So if the mechanics didn't change, why does this matter so much? Because names are how people search for things. Picture a 76-year-old senior who has received what she calls her GST check for 20 years. Someone at the bank mentions that the GST credit has ended, so she goes online to look it up, and the page she lands on says, no longer available. For someone who doesn't read every detail to the bottom of the page, that reads as, the thing I depend on has been taken away. She either worries quietly for a month or starts calling phone numbers. And a frightened senior looking for information about an ended benefit is exactly who phone scammers are looking for. Which is why our first job at Smart Retirement is simply to give you the new official name, the Canada Groceries and Essentials Benefit. Say it once out loud so you remember it. Now for the money. A single person can receive up to $950 for this benefit year, which runs from July 2026 through June 2027. The words up to depend on your net income, exactly as before. And here is what most people miss. This current year is the biggest one because it contained a one-time bonus on top of the permanent increase. That one-time top-up was paid on June 5th. It has already happened. Going forward, a single person will receive around $700 a year for the next 4 years, locked in until 2031. Even better, 500,000 Canadians who were not eligible under the old limits now qualify under these updated rules. Good news number 2 is already sitting in your August 27th deposit. Your old age security went up. OAS is reviewed 4 times a year against inflation. For this quarter, it rose by 1.2%, bringing the full annual increase to 2.3%. And thanks to the Old Age Security Act, your payments can never be reduced, even if consumer prices fall in a bad quarter. Every increase you gain is permanent. Good news number 3 arrives on a birthday rather than a calendar date. At age 75, your old age security automatically increases by 10% permanently. At maximum rates, that is the difference between $750, 1.97 a month, and $827.17, with no application forms required. Now for the one thing you actually have to do. Everything we discussed depends on your annual tax return being filed. Even if you have zero income or owe nothing, filing your return is the only signal that tells the CRA you exist. A senior who does not file becomes invisible to the system, missing out on this benefit, the Guaranteed Income Supplement, and provincial programs. Also, beware of scam calls. Nobody will ever phone you asking for bank details to transfer you to the new benefit, and there are no forms to buy. If someone calls asking for personal info, hang up immediately. On August 27th, take 4 minutes to check your bank deposit, write the number down, and verify your increase. Quick question for you in the comments. Did you know that the GST credit changed its name to the Canada Groceries and Essentials Benefit? Reply with a simple yes or no below, as your comments help other Canadian seniors stay informed. Thank you for watching Smart Retirement. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next update.